Yes, please mute.
Good morning.
Vimla madam, please mute yourself.
Good morning, madam.
Able to hear? Vimla's number is 100.
Good morning, ma'am.
Or I'll do one thing, ma'am. Shall I come to your room with my system?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Because there are others waiting and they all are coming. They all are coming, that is why. I will come so that you can see through my system. Okay?
Good
I'm
afternoon.
coming. Madam, I'll ask someone to be here. System and she will join from there.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Teacher, your sound is not coming.
नीरज सर आप रुक जाइए people wait there are so many principal madam is not able to join the moment he wants to join somebody else is joining no we will do one thing I will person which is from there she will join from she'll speak from my login you are room you want to do let me first connect madam
Morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam.
Excuse me, ma'am. Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. Dulpala.
మామయ్య బంద్ చేయమంట వస్తుంది కట్టేది
Yes, ma'am. There are so many.
రెండిట్లలో వస్తే కట్టేది మనకు ఉండదు అక్కడ కనిపించద్దా వాళ్ళకి
మధ్యలో కూర్చోండి. హాయ్ నాన్నమ్మ. నాన్న అక్కడ లేదు మీ టౌన్లో లేదు. Hi, Nanama. Kenapa kelontar leta? Hi, friend.
Samhita, can you mute yourself? Arya, can you mute yourself? Samhita, Manaswini.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, mute yourself. I want everybody to mute.
Morning, sir.
I want everybody to mute. Manaswini, mute yourself, please.
कैलेंडर लिंक
हाँ तो आया ना
ये
मतलब इसका
वाला
हाँ लिंक का है
ये
इसका
वाला।
हाँ लिंक
लिंक दिखाना है।
हाँ लिंक दिखाओ मुझे हाँ ये वाला लिंक आपने भेजा अभी
हाँ ये वाला
भेजा ना
ZAG लास्ट हाँ यही भेजा
मैं ఇది చేసుటేమా దాంట్లో 100 మాక్సిమం దాని తర్వాత రావట్లేదు చాలా మంది వస్తాం అనుకుంటున్నారు రావట్లేదు
एंटरप्राइज कंप्लीट किया अक्सर ही चाहिए था
చేసుट के करने नहीं मालूम जूम करना है नहीं तो मगर वो उनको फुटबॉल इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा नहीं कर सकते
Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन
Good afternoon, sir. Afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
यू कैन आल्सो टेक
A very good afternoon to all the parents and grandparents. We never expected this overwhelming response. We thought that we would stop with 100. It is difficult to reach 100 we thought. Now we have asked all our teachers to log out so that we can have the program. Sorry for the inconvenience. And now I request our teacher, Mr. Neeraj, to take over and start the program. And please, all the children are requested to keep their mics muted. Please mute your mics.
A smiling face and a warm embrace, a hand to hold when I'm cold, 2 arms that hold me so tight and wish good dreams to me at night. Near or far, wherever you are, you will always be our shining stars. Grandparents, they are the greatest people in the world. Hello and welcome. My name is Neeraj, primary teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Tamil. I welcome all the grandparents in this virtual grandparent celebration. मैं तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि आप सभी ने हमारा यह निमंत्रण स्वीकार किया और अपना कीमती समय निकाल कर हमारे इस समारोह में उपस्थित हुए। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि किसी भी कार्य की शुरुआत से पहले हमें ईश्वर की प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए और की भी जाती है। तो चलिए ईश्वर की स्तुति के साथ इस समारोह की शुरुआत करते हैं। अरविंद और अभिराम कक्षा 5वीं ब के छात्रों द्वारा प्रस्तुति की जा रही है।
Josna madam, please.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
बहुत ही सुंदर प्रस्तुति आप दोनों के द्वारा। नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैडम टू गिव वेलकम एड्रेस।
Respected grandparents, respected parents, honorable teachers, and my dear students, greetings to you all once again, and namaskar to all the grandparents today who are attending this auspicious occasion of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumalgiri, that is Grandparents' Day. At the very outset, I welcome you all, and I thank all the grandparents who are attending our online Grandparents' Day celebration in such a large number. I really appreciate this gesture and thank all the grandparents. In fact, every time I say that our children are great assets for our nation, they are valuable resources. Today, I add that our grandparents are also valuable resources. Despite COVID-19 situation, our grandparents have obliged us to attend the function in an online manner. Every year, it is such a great pleasure to celebrate Grandparents' Day offline physically when we get to see so many grandparents, when we get to meet so many grandparents in the school. But we are sorry that this time we have to celebrate this in an online manner. Our grandparents are really valuable resources, as the time spent with them by their grandchildren are lifelong memories. Our grandparents, we come to know that they love our students who happen to be their grandchildren so much. And in this COVID-19 situation, I get to know that many children are in their villages and they are enjoying the closeness, emotional support of their grandparents. They are listening to the stories, they get to know the experiences of their grandparents, and that is in that way they are cherishing all this, and it is adding to their positive and healthy development of our children. So I am really thankful to all the grandparents. And on this occasion, I would like to tell my children, my students, that they should also reciprocate the love and respect that they receive from their grandparents. And they can do so by spending quality time with them. They can say and displaying good manners, like when they take something from their grandparent, they can say thank you, or if they demand something, they can add please to that, and they can help them in their daily chores so that they can relax. I hope our students are doing this. And in fact, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan celebrates Grandparents' Day because it places grandparents at higher pedestal. And as I know that many children, they are they have good time with their grandparents at this point of time due to COVID-19 situation. I request all the grandparents to ensure that or to motivate the students to attend online classes without fail, and they should encourage them to participate in all the activities also. So once again, I thank all the grandparents. I welcome them, and I'm really happy that we are at least organizing this grandparents' day in an online manner, and you are all present in such a great number. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable insights on this program. Next, we begin this program with the welcome song that has been sung by Sai Charandeep of 5th C, Naga Sai Ketan 3rd E, and Hasita Skanda of 4th A. I request Jyotsna madam to play the video. इनको पता है.
Dadi, Nana, Nani, welcome to our school. Dada, Dadi, Nana, Nani, welcome to our school. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. मेरी इस जिंदगी में आप बड़े अनमोल. मेरी इस जिंदगी में आप बड़े अनमोल. हमको अच्छे लगते हैं आपके मीठे बोल. हमको अच्छे लगते हैं आपके मीठे बोल. दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी, वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल. दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी, वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. मम्मी पापा कभी हमें जो डांट भी देते हैं. मम्मी पापा कभी हमें जो डांट भी देते हैं. दादाजी फिर हमको अपने गोद में लेते हैं. दादाजी फिर हमको अपने गोद में लेते हैं. समझाते सहलाते हैं, बच्चे ही बन जाते हैं. समझाते सहलाते हैं, बच्चे ही बन जाते हैं. राजा रानी वाले फिर किस्से हमें सुनाते हैं. राजा रानी वाले फिर किस्से हमें सुनाते हैं. दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी, वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल. दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी, वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल.
मेरी प्यारी प्यारी दादी सबसे सुंदर न्यारी. मेरी प्यारी प्यारी दादी सबसे सुंदर न्यारी. जो हम कहते हैं वह सुनती सारी बात हमारी. जो हम कहते हैं वह सुनती सारी बात हमारी. मुंह के भीतर बात नहीं है कुछ ऊंचा भी सुनती. मुंह के भीतर बात नहीं है कुछ ऊंचा भी सुनती. दुबले पतले हाथों से वह स्वेटर मेरा बुनती. दुबले पतले हाथों से वह स्वेटर मेरा बुनती. दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी, वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल. दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी, वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल. तुम भी खुश हो, हम भी खुश है सारा स्कूल.
A big round of applause for these children. Thank you, children, for this melodious welcome song. by which you have expressed your feeling for your grandparents. Next, we are going to have a speech on grandparents presented by Dhanush Ramaraju from 5th B.
Good morning, respected principal, head mistress, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Dhanush of class 5th B, KB Travalgiri, Hyderabad. Today, on the occasion of Grandparents' Day, I want you to say a few lines about grandparents. Grandparents are a greatest treasure. Our beloved grandparents are our favorite cook, storyteller, polite teachers, and personal game center who bestow us with their unconditional love. They have several important roles in our lives, making us a better human being by teaching us the moral to guide us in all the possible fields. The grandparents and the grandchildren together, they create a chain of love, linking the past with the future. The chain may lengthen, but it will never part. Grandparents are our best friends first, and then our family. It doesn't matter what age you are, because you always want to go to your grandparents' house and spend time with them. They are the ones who never forget your birthday and always congratulate you on your every milestone. I celebrate every moment I spend with my grandparents. I love them as much as they love me. I thank them for being my grandparents. Wishing all the grandparents a very happy Grandparents' Day. Thank you.
That is a wonderful speech given by Dhanush. In this video, he has shown his love and affection towards his grandparents. Thank you, Dhanush. Now, our primary students have put their videos together and made a special item that we would love to show you.
భద్రాద్రి గౌతమి దిగో చూడండి, అదిగో భద్రాద్రి గౌతమి దిగో చూడండి, ముద సీతాముదిత లక్ష్మణుడు కలసి కొలువుగా రఘుపతి ఉండలి, అదిగో భద్రాద్రి గౌతమి దిగో చూడండి. గణపతి వినాయక హరి గం గం గణపతి వినాయక, గం గం గణపతి వినాయక హరి గం గం గణపతి వినాయక, క్షిత్ర గణపతి వినాయక విప్రమధుర వినాయక, క్షిత్ర గణపతి వినాయక విప్రమధుర వినాయక, గం గం గణపతి వినాయక హరి గం గం గణపతి వినాయక. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you might even say it close. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph learn any reindeer names. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, morning and was late tonight. Then how the reindeer learned him, as he shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, he went on in his story. कि जय हनुमान लला की, दूषित दलन रघुनाथ कला की, जाके बल से गिरिवर गापे, रोग दोष जाके निकट न जापे, अंजनी पुत्र महाबलदाई, संत बन के प्रभु सदा सहाई, देवी रघुनाथ पठाए, लंका जारी सिय सुधिलाए, लंका सौ गुट समुद्र सिखाए, जात पवन सुत बार न लाए, अंकन मूर्छित पड़े सवारे, आनि संजीवन प्राण उबारे।
Thank you, children, for the special item that you have presented nicely. आगे, माँ बाप का तो सिर पर हाथ काफी होता है, माँ बाप का तो सिर पर हाथ काफी होता है, पर दादा दादी की तो बस दुआएं ही काफी होती हैं। इसी के साथ प्राइमरी टीचर प्रियंका मैडम हमारे जीवन में दादा दादी व नाना नानी की महत्वता पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत कर रही हैं।
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, प्रधानाध्यापिका जी, सभी अध्यापक और अध्यापिकाओं, सभी अभिभावकों और प्यारे बच्चों को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं प्रियंका सागर, प्राथमिक अध्यापिका, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स दिवस के खास अवसर पर आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ और आपके सामने अपने कुछ विचार प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। दुख का बादल उनकी वजह से ही घर से दूर होता है, दुख का बादल उनकी वजह से ही घर से दूर होता है। किसी ने सच ही कहा है, बड़े बुजुर्गों का होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है। जी हाँ, दादा दादी नाना नानी परिवार के सबसे बड़े सदस्य, या यूँ कहें हर परिवार के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण और प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति। परिवार की नींव इन्हीं से है, ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा। इनका निस्वार्थ भाव से प्यार और देखभाल करना ईश्वर का वरदान है। कहते हैं हर परिवार में बच्चे की पहली पाठशाला उसका घर ही होता है और उसके अध्यापक होते हैं बड़े बुजुर्ग, जो कब खेल खेल में हमें इतना कुछ सिखा देते हैं जिसका एहसास हमें बड़े होने के बाद ही होता है। वो दादी की लोरी, वो दादी की लोरी, वो दादा के किस्से, हर बच्चे के बचपन के सबसे खूबसूरत हिस्से। बड़े बुजुर्गों का साथ में रहना ही एक अनोखा एहसास है। वह न केवल ज्ञान के मोती बिखेरते हैं, बल्कि हमारे जीवन को प्यार और खुशियों से भी भर देते हैं। उनका हमारे आसपास होने की भावना को हम शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकते। अंत में बस इतना ही, बड़े बुजुर्गों की उंगलियों में कोई ताकत तो ना थी, बड़े बुजुर्गों की उंगलियों में कोई ताकत तो ना थी, मगर जब मेरा सर झुका तो सिर पर रखे कांपते हाथों ने ज़माने भर की खुशी दी। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद प्रियंका मैम, बहुत ही सुंदर प्रस्तुति एंड बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। And here we have a dance performance of Shloka's. She is a classical dancer who has won many competitions. Her granny is her dance teacher who has taught her this classical dance, which is going to be presented.
Sorry, 100 people ही admit हो सकते हैं.
Fantastic dance. I hope you all enjoyed the performance. So now it is time for another speech by Megha Varna of 2nd B.
Ma'am and all respected teachers. Good morning, it's ma'am and all respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Megha Varna. I am studying in 2nd B. Today I am telling few lines for our grandparents. Grandparents are parents' parents. Grandparents are the root of the family. Grandparents are the teachers and parents and friends. You will know why? Because they teach us like our teacher. Love and care like our parents. Play with us like our friends. Grandparents very loving and care. Grandparents tell two stories and memories. The teacher tell good moral values. Let us spend time with our grandparents. On this special occasion, grandparents, I wish to all grandparents health and good strong health, happiness. We love grandparents, they love grandchildren. Happy Grandparents' Day to all.
Thank you, Megha Varna, for this marvelous speech that you have given. Next, the immense unity in diversity makes India an example of cultural brotherhood. Each and every region of our country, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, portrays different customs and traditions. Since ancient time, the people of India have been living together and respecting all religions and cultures. With this note, students of our primary section have come up with a video which shows unity in diversity in India. So let's watch it.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Subrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Subrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you.
My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you.
It's Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
Miss Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Bindia. I'm from India. My name is Bindia. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Thank you, children. That was a fabulous presentation presented by our primary students. So now I'm giving the screen to Mrs. Elizabeth Alexander, Madam, to present her views as a grandparent on this celebration.
Good morning, Vice Principal Madam, HM Ma'am, teachers, grandparents, and students, all my dear students. I would like to express my thoughts about grandparents. Children, you all are blessed to have great grandparents with us. Grandparents know how to do things that warm a heart. They touch our lives with loving care right from the very start. So children, grandparents, when you are born itself, they are, like, they take care of you. They are so loving and they take care of you so much. So we are very blessed to have the grandparents. Now I would like to say the meaning of the grandparents. The spelling of grandparents is what now? GRANDPARENTS. I would like to share each bit. I would like to say, what do you mean by a grandparent? Like, grandparent is a bit parent, a bit teacher, a bit best friend. Do you agree with me, children? What are grandparents? Grandparents, a bit parent, a bit teacher, and a bit best friend. Yes, they are a best friend. They will teach you, and then they take care of you like a parent, and they are your best friends, because you will go and share all your things with your grandparents. I would like to just decode this. I would like to share this. What do you mean by G? G means grandparents. G starts with grandparents. Now G, generous, R, reliable, A, always loving, N, never too busy, D, don't mind answering questions, P, put me first, A, amazing and funny, R, respects my point of view, E, easy to talk to them, and then N, not critical, T, totally loving and caring, yes, simply the best. So whenever you have any problem, now I would like to say about each letter. Like, G, generous. Generous means they are very generous. They love to give anything, whatever they have, the best thing they would like to give. And reliable, R is reliable. You completely have faith on your grandparents, and then you rely on them, and you share all your troubles, happiness, everything. The R stands for reliable. A, always loving. They love you so much. In all the times they take care of you. They are so loving. So A stands for always loving. And N stands for never too busy. Though they are very busy, they can say, beta, I'm very busy. You can just come. Though they are just busy, or what is the position they are, they take care and they want to listen whatever you say. And D, don't mind answering questions. Whatever problem you have, you go and say, and you tell your grandparents what is your problem is, and they like to, and you will be asking, they like to answer all the questions whichever you are putting. So now P stands for put me first. Now first they think about you. They will say my granddaughter, my grandson. So they take you and they'll put you first for everything. So they love you so much. A is amazing and funny. They're very amazing. Now they think my granddaughter, now they take care of you so much. That's why grandparents are very amazing and they take care of you. And then R is respects my point of view, and they respect. And then easy to talk to. Whatever problem you have, anything, you can just go and you can share with them. And N, not critical. Critical means they don't put you down. They don't criticize you. They always encourage you. Grandparents, they don't criticize you. They will encourage you. So they are not critical. N stands, that is not critical. T is totally loving and caring. Grandparents are totally, they completely love, totally loving and caring. S, simply the best. Grandparents are the best. So we should be happy to have such loving grandparents. Grandparents are like parents, like teachers and friends. They tell sweet stories, they play games and teach us songs and many things, children, not what not. Everything they will be guiding us. They teach us good manners also. They tell us how to behave, how to walk. There's all the good manners they teach you. So, children, we are blessed to have grandparents with us. For grandparents, know how to do the things that warm our heart. They touch our lives with loving care. So children, I would end my speech by saying the quote for grandparents. For grandparents, I would like to say this quote: a grandparent is someone with silver in his hair and gold in his heart. Though the hair are gray like silver, but their heart is like gold, precious gold. So we are blessed to have such a wonderful grandparents, loving grandparents. So children, we should love and take care of them, and the love and the care which you are taking, and they will bless you, and these blessings will be a very good for your future. So you should be thankful to your grandparents, and you should be loving and caring, and you should listen to whatever they say. Thank you, children. Namaskar. Thank you so much. Namaskaram, Mandi, all of you, all the grandparents. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us the definition of each letter of grandparent word. I remember those days when I used to play with my grandparents, and I used to have a lot of fun with them. Thank you, ma'am, for your speech.
Thank you.
Now we have a wonderful video of grandparents with their grandchildren. Most of you had sent us photos. We compiled and made a video.
Grandparents are special. Grandparents are special. Let's gather together for a special meal. Let's gather together to show how we feel. Let's gather together on a special day. We gather together 'cause we want to say, grandparents are special. Grandparents are special. We gather together for a special treat. We feed each other with good things to eat. We gather together for a special surprise. We come together for our family ties. Grandparents are special. Grandparents are special. We gather together for a special meal. We gather together to show how we feel. We gather together in our special tree. We give our thanks for friends and family. Grandparents are special. Grandparents are special.
Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, you know that I love you. I love all those little things that you say
Oreos cookies, for they sure taste great. Going to the circus when it comes to town, eating cotton candy and laughing at the clowns. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, you know that I love you. I love all those little things that you say and do. A hug and a kiss, a ride home from school. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. Spending time together, talking on the phone, happy birthday presents, chocolate ice cream cones, photographs and memories, picnics and parades, saying that you love me in so many ways. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, you know that I love you. I love all those little things that you say and do. The stories you tell, things I never knew. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. I love you. I love you.
Na 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 na. Thank you for your love, for your prayers, for the things you've given. How could we recount all you've done on this side of heaven? We're grateful, and we wanna say thank you for all the things you say and do. Thank you for showing us the love that's true. Thank you, this simple song is not enough. Thank you for loving us.
Now I request some of the grandparents. Hello, am I audible to you? Now I request some of the grandparents to give their impressions on this occasion.
Excuse me, Neeraj sir. With your permission, I would like to request the parents, the grandparents. Can I just address them for a moment?
Yes, ma'am.
I take this opportunity to thank all the grandparents who made it convenient to attend the online Grandparents Day virtual celebration that we are doing it today. We tried our best. As I already told you, and I keep telling you, we are not software people. We didn't foresee that more than 100 people will be logging in. And that is why some of the grandparents who were not able to log in. So we are very sorry for the inconvenience caused, and we learned our lesson now, and next time onwards we will try a better alternative to this. Maybe we will be giving you a YouTube live streaming, or maybe live streaming on Facebook or something like that, we will have for our next celebration. For now, we are very sorry for whatever has happened, and at the same time, we are very happy for having you all with us on this Grandparents' Day celebration in a virtual mode. And now we have presented, now since children are not with us, we couldn't bring them all under one roof and present a program for you. We collected the videos, we compiled their work, and we tried to make a memorable day for you all. So I hope you would appreciate our effort, and we also need your blessings for us to go ahead in our work and achieve better things for our students who are your grandchildren. So we need your blessings, we need your guidance, we need your support for making a better of ourselves. So may I take this opportunity to request grandparents to come forward and give their opinion, express their opinion, give their impressions on the school, on its system, their role as grandparents, and their children's love, their grandchildren's love, or anything which they want to share with everybody, are free to express themselves. Can I just, whoever wants to speak may just switch on the video and say hello so that we will be able to.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. May I know who is that? SS.
हेलो
हाँ सर, प्लीज बोलिए, बोलिए सर.
सर, मैं संमिता फर्स्ट सी ग्रैंडफादर एंड ग्रैंडमदर.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
मैं आपका केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का बहुत आभारी हूँ. हेलो
सर, वी कैन हियर यू, यू कैन प्रोसीड.
ओके मैम, मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का बहुत आभारी हूँ क्योंकि मेरे 4 बच्चे आपका केंद्रीय विद्यालय का संगठन में पढ़ा है और मैं इस संगठन को बहुत आभारी हूँ और आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ को कि इस ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे सेलिब्रेशन को हम लोग को ऐसा मौका दिया है, इसीलिए आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ. थैंक यू मैडम.
Thank you very much, sir. Agar pandemic COVID-19 has made our lives topsy-turvy. Everything is ulta-pulta. Nothing is going on as per schedule. But still, we in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan are not leaving anything. No stone is left unturned when it comes to the welfare and the education of the students. When we could do everything, we thought, why can't we have our Grandparents' Day as well? And that is why we all are assembled here. Now, may I request anybody else to please speak?
Yes. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. All the others, please mute except madam who is speaking.
Good afternoon, madam. I'm speaking from Kerala, Cochin, Kerala.
Very good.
My grandson Raghav is in class 2D of your school.
Okay.
I was a teacher in KV and my daughter was a student in KV also. And she was very particular that her son should study in KV. So under my quota, I came there for the admission. We all value all the traditions of Kendriya Vidyalaya. And I really appreciate how much you have done for this program. Though you couldn't get everybody together from a distance, you have managed so much. Congratulations to each and every one of you. The authorities and the teachers, the students, everybody, how much effort you have taken. In between the online classes, you have managed so much. Congratulations and keep it up. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, madam. Your words work as an elixir, as a kind of a tonic which boosts our morale. Thank you so much for those good words, madam, and having faith in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan.
Definitely, I have that faith in KV. 30 years of service, and my students studied.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Now I can see somebody else raising their hand. Can you please proceed?
Hello. Good afternoon అండి. మా గ్రాండ్ డాటర్ టి హితశ్రీ 4th D లో ఉంది. లాస్ట్ టైం మేము మీ యొక్క ఈ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ డేకి అటెండ్ అయ్యాము, కానీ ఈ సంవత్సరం ఈ విధంగా ఆన్లైన్ లో మీరు ఈ విధంగా చేసినందుకు మీ అందరికీ కూడా, మా ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారికి, వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారికి అందరికీ కూడా కృతజ్ఞతలు. ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అనేటువంటివి కేంద్రీయ విద్యాలయంలోనే బాగా జరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి, బాగా అందరినీ కూడా ఇంప్రెస్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
హలో,
నమస్తే మేడం. మేడం నమస్తే మేడం.
చెప్పండి సార్.
నమస్తే మేడం.
చెప్పండి.
మేడం మా మన్మరాలు సాయి మేడం, క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్. నేను సత్యనారాయణ మేడం, గుర్తుపడతాను. మీరు అకిన్పేటలో నేను మీరు పనిచేసిన ఒకదాన్ని మేడం. మేడం నమస్తే మేడం.
నమస్తే. పేరేంటండి?
సాయి సిద్ధిక మేడం. నా పేరు సత్యనారాయణ. సాయి సిద్ధిక మన్మరాలు మేడం.
ఓకే. చెప్పండి సార్.
ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ మంచిగా చదువుతున్నాం మేడం. ఇంటికాడైతే బాగా చదివిస్తున్నాము.
చెప్పండి సార్.
చాలా బాగున్నాయి. ఇదే మేము ఫస్ట్ టైం అటెండ్ అవుతున్నాం కాబట్టి మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా కూడా ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ టైం మా పిల్లవాడు అందరూ విన్నాం. చాలా సంతోషకరంగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
వెల్కమ్ సార్.
Madam, thank you very much for arranging this grandparent program. I am grandfather of Pranija Prasanna. You are arranging a very good program, but my one advice is that I am having only one granddaughter. You make her she must get first rank in your school. Thank you very much.
హలో, నమస్తే అమ్మా. చెప్పండి. నేను లక్ష్మి. చెప్పండి ప్రసన్న. హలో, చెప్పండి.
Good morning. My good advice is that I am having only one granddaughter. You must get first rank in your school. Her name is Pranija Prasanna, first E.
Okay, sir.
I am retired railway ticket inspector in our Kachiguda railway station.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Please click on the right. One second, children. Please mute yourself. If anybody wants to speak, they will click on the raise hand button. We will look at them so that let there be some order. Okay. I can see please don't unmute till I take your name. So that others can listen to what you people are saying.
Okay. No. Raise hands.
Raise hand. This one. You just pin this person. They could also put his hands. No. Here. 1 second. ikkade manam pin cheyochu kada. Ikkada మనం చేయలేము. We can just. We don't want to unmute. We want to see the name.
Raise hands ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ లో ఉంటాయి. మీరు రెండు ఎత్తున చేస్తున్నారు.
Syed Afreed, can you please unmute and speak? Syed Afreed, Ask your grandfather to speak, बेटा. आपने हाथ ऊपर किया है. Syed Afreed.
परिणीति.
Okay. I think he is not responding. Now, can we ask Pariniti Rajesh? Pariniti Rajesh. He also has raised the hand. Yeah, please speak, beta. Ask your grandparents to speak. Pariniti. बोलिए बेटा మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా మీరు మాట్లాడాలంటే మాట్లాడవచ్చు Then why you remove your raised hand. Next is Swastik Chittari, second D. Swastik Chittari. Swastik Chittari, if you want to speak, ask your grandparents to speak, beta. Swastik. Next it is Lasya Priya of 4th D. Lasya Priya of 4th D.
హలో నమస్తమ్మ అందరికీ నమస్కారం నా పేరు లక్ష్మి నేను లాస్యప్రియ అమ్మమ్మని
మంచిదమ్మా
మీరు ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం పెట్టినందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందమ్మా
వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్ మీరు మంచిగా మీ మనవరాలను దగ్గర కూర్చోబెట్టుకొని మంచి మాట ముచ్చట చెప్పాలి మంచి మాట ఏంది ఎట్లా చూసుకోవాలి మంచిగా కథ మీ కథలు చెప్పాలి మీ ముచ్చట్లన్నీ చెప్పాలి వాళ్ళకి నేర్పించాలి వాళ్ళని మంచి పౌరులుగా తీర్చిదిద్దాలంటే స్కూల్లో టీచర్స్ తో పాటు పేరెంట్స్ తో పాటు గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఉంది మీకు కూడా తాత మామలకు కూడా పని ఉన్నది ఇప్పుడు
రోజు అదే అవుతుందమ్మా ఇంట్లో
చెయ్యండి అది చెయ్యండి ఓకే పండుగ శోభిత్
నమస్తే మేడం
నమస్తే
అమ్మమ్మ తాత శోభిత్ ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ మేము స్కూల్ కి వచ్చి కలవాలంటే కుదరట్లేదండి ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ కాబట్టి మీటింగ్ ఇట్లా పెట్టిండ్రు మాకు చాలా సంతోషం అండి ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్
చదువు బాగుందా
బాగుంది వాళ్ళ అమ్మ ఇంట్లో ఉంటుంది కదండి కొంచెం ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ తీసుకుంటుంది స్కూల్ కి వస్తే తెలుస్తుంది కొంచెం హిందీ బాగా రాదండి ఇంతకు ముందు గౌతమ్ మోడల్ స్కూల్ ఉండే తను హిందీ క్లాసెస్ కొంచెం చదవలేడు
Okay, okay. Now, can I ask Gaddam Joshika of 3rd B? Gaddam Joshika.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
జోషిక వాళ్ళ అమ్మమ్మని ఇలాంటి మాకు గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ అవకాశం కల్పించినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ మ్యామ్.
ఓకే అమ్మా మంచిది మంచిగా చూసుకోండి మీ మనవరాల్ని ఓకే విఘ్నేష్ కుమార్ అడబోయిన
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, Vignesh aunt speaking, ma'am. And we are really thankful to the KVS and KVT management for organizing virtual parent meeting, ma'am, and this grandparents day celebration. Thank you so much. We are very glad. My parents are here, ma'am. I'm also a KV student, so we are really thankful to the entire team. Thank you so much, ma'am. During this pandemic also, you all are taking very good care of parents, students, online classes and everything, ma'am. Organizing all CC activities also. Everything is going very well, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sir,
and special thanks on behalf of my parents also, ma'am. They would like to say thank you.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you. కోడలు కష్టపడి చదివిస్తుందమ్మా బానే అన్ని చూపిస్తుంది అన్ని చూసుకుంటుంది మీరు చెప్పిన అన్ని చేస్తుందమ్మా.
Special thanks, ma'am. Special thanks to the entire team, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words keep us going in a long way. Thank you so much. They help us going in a long way.
Pleasure to hear, ma'am. Pleasure to hear. Nice. Thanks for giving us this opportunity, ma'am.
Topalli Satvik. First A.
హలో గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మేడం.
చెప్పండి సార్.
మీరు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టడానికి చాలా బాగుంది. గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ కి కూడా ఎంత అవకాశం ఇచ్చారంటే వెరీ హ్యాపీ. మనోడు బాగా చూస్తున్నాడు, మీ కంట్రోల్లో బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. హోంవర్క్ కూడా మా ఉద్యోగం వస్తుంది, చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. ఇటువంటి అవకాశం మాకు
సార్ మీరు మీ పిల్లలు ఫస్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్ లో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మీరు ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైం యు ఆర్ ద ఫస్ట్ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్ సో you did not come to this school because of pandemic. It is being done at a lower note, in a lower key. Actually we do it in a very grand scale. Very hopefully if the pandemic ends next year we will be having you in person and we will be having double dhamaka next year, not this year. Okay, thank you for your good words, sir. Thank you so much. Mithun Krishna, 5th B, grandparent of Mithun Krishna, would you like to speak?
No, ma'am.
Okay, better then click on that raise hand, don't click on that. Okay, next Alladi Yagnita Gaud, 3rd E. Alladi.
Namaste madam.
Namaste.
Namaste madam. మమ్మీ వీళ్ళిద్దరిని చూసుకునేది నేనే. వాళ్ళ వల్ల నేను కూడా చదువుకుంటున్నాను ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులలో. వీళ్ళ వల్ల నాకు కూడా మంచిగా ఉంది. మీరు టీచర్స్ అందరూ చాలా కష్టపడి చెప్తున్నారు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ లో. పిల్లలు వేస్ట్ కాకుండా చదువును మంచిగా చదువుకుంటున్నారు మేడం. నేను కూడా చదువుకుంటున్నా వాళ్ళతో పాటు.
మంచిది. మీరు తల్లిదండ్రులు ఉన్నారు అండ్ పిల్లల్ని తీసుకొచ్చి గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గర వదిలేసారు. ఆ విషయం మాకు కూడా తెలుసు. ఇక మీరే చూసుకోవాలి పిల్లల్ని. వాళ్ళకి ఉద్యోగాలు మానుకొని
చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాం మేడం. గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్ మీటింగ్ వచ్చి చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాం ఆ రోజు.
ఇప్పుడు కూడా అదే మాకు పేరెంట్స్ తో కన్నా ఇప్పుడు గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ తోనే పని ఎక్కువ ఉన్నది. అందుకే మీకే చెప్తున్నాం మేము. ఓకే
మేడం,
ప్లీజ్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ గ్రాండ్ చిల్డ్రన్. దట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Ramachandruni, this madam is raising his hand. Ramachandruni, Ramachandruni Brunda. Ramachandruni Brunda. You can speak, madam. The grandparent of Ramachandruni Brunda. I saw her raising that. Please unmute and speak.
No? Okay then.
I think.
Now.
Yes, sir. Tell me. Ananya Yaivaram. Would you like to speak? आपको कुछ बोलना है?
Ananya's mother, you want to speak? Grandmother? No.
Okay. Thank you for those good words. Neeraj sir? Neeraj sir?
Yes,
sir, take over, sir. I think all the grandparents have already expressed their views and we have got good feedback from them, and you can continue with the rest of the program.
Okay. So here we have the last performance of today's program, that is the national anthem.
Hey,
excuse me. Now my grandfather wants to speak.
Okay, okay. Let your grandfather speak. Beta, what is the name?
आपका स्कूल को धन्यवाद मैडम। आप ये जो प्रोग्राम आप कॉन्टेस्ट कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हम लोग आपका कृतज्ञता और धन्यवाद बोल रहे हैं आप लोग।
हाँ बोलिए। ओके।
నమస్తే అండి. నమస్తే వాళ్ళ అమ్మమ్మనండి.
చెప్పండి మేడం. ఇందాక పిలిచాను మీరు వినలేదు.
నుండి ఇట్లాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టడం, చాలా గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ కి ఇంత అవకాశం ఇవ్వడం చాలా బాగుంది మీ కార్యక్రమం. జితమ్మని వాళ్ళ అమ్మమ్మని ఇలానే ఎప్పుడు చేస్తున్నారు. బాగుంది.
మనవరాలు చూసుకుంటున్నారా లేదా మీరు?
మన్మడ్ అండి. జితమ్మని 3rd క్లాస్
చూసుకుంటున్నారా? మరి చదివిస్తున్నారా? మంచిది.
Thank you, Andy.
Okay. Shall we? Sir, thank you, bache. Now, please keep yourself muted. Now, Neeraj sir, you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Now, I request HM madam to give a vote of thanks.
Okay. Most respected grandparents, the parents of the students and dear students, my worthy staff members, it's indeed grand to be a grandparent. Being a grandparent myself, I feel that grandparents are, to be a grandparent is a great feeling, and grandchildren are the greatest gifts to the grandparents. So I've got 100 grandparents here in this meeting today. And at the outset, I would like to say sorry to all those grandparents whom we are not able to take into the meeting. I tell you very frankly, we have never foreseen that you people would turn up in such great numbers. We thought around 30-40 grandparents would come. Nobody would be having any interest in coming to the meeting, that too on a virtual day, or in a virtual mode on a holiday. So we are mistaken. Our grandparents have proved us wrong, and they have turned up in great numbers. And next time onwards, we will take care, and we will make sure that some YouTube live streaming or Facebook live streaming of the program will be given, so that all the grandparents or whoever are the people involved will get a chance to witness the program. For all those people who could not attend, we are going to post the recording of today's program, and we request those the parents and the grandparents to kindly have a look at the program and bless the little children and bless us all. Your blessings are required by the school more than anybody else. Now, coming to another important aspect which I would like to touch upon is the role of grandparents in molding the personality of the children. Parents are very busy with their daily routine. They have to run for their jobs, and they have to make the two ends meet. So they have no extra time to spend with the children. So the children look at the grandparents. So through your experience and through your words of wisdom, I think you can do wonders. Can you all please mute Shruti, Vigyan? Zara mute kar lijiye, because if you speak when I speak, Shruti, can you please mute?
మంచిగా చెప్పండి. మీ అంత గొప్ప వాళ్ళు కావాలి మన్మరాళ్ళు కూడా.
మంచిదమ్మా, నేను చెప్తున్నప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పకండి, కొంచెం ఆగండి. ఓకే, ఒకళ్ళ తర్వాత ఒకళ్ళు మాట్లాడండి. ఓకే
ఓకే,
థ్యాంక్ యూ. So I would like to thank you all for coming in good numbers. Thank you all for the kind of cooperation that you are extending to the school. I would like to thank you in anticipation. My anticipation is that in the absence of the parents also, when the parents are away from the students, you please play a prominent role and make sure that your children, the grandchildren, are molded into a vibrant citizen of the country. Each of your grandchild should become a vibrant citizen of the country, and above all, a good human being. Seeking all your cooperation, I am signing off. Thank you very much. Love you all, grandparents, and love you all, parents. Thank you very much.
At last, we have the national anthem performed by Hasita Skanda on violin.
Sir, we have to leave.
Wait for the national anthem.
National anthem.
Wait for the national anthem. It is going to be late.
ఏది నేషనల్ అంతం అవుతుంది.
Thank you, Hasita, Skanda. Once again, we want to express our heartfelt thanks to all the grandparents for accepting our invitation and joining us on this auspicious celebration and making us a grand success. Thank you,
And
one
I
and all.
would like to add on to say, I would like to thank all my teachers for their wonderful support, and my special thanks to Neeraj sir for conducting this program in the most befitting manner. Thank you, one and all. Now you all can sign off. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am, and thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
അതൊരു സാധനം ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ മതി ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കും ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ മതി കഴിഞ്ഞു അത് മൊത്തം അടിയിൽ പോയിരിക്കാൻ
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
പേടിക്കണ്ട അറിയാവുന്ന
ఇదేంటి వస్తుంది